If your customer were asking about the status of their refund because they say they did not get their refund, you may click on the transaction option over here. You can then search the refund that you did before. For example, here I have the full refund to my client. Then you may click on that refunded transaction. You can then see the details for the refunded transaction. On the refund that you sent before, click on the view details. And you want to send your client or customer this number over here so they can contact their own bank to help them trace their refund money. Don't forget to include what type of reference number that was shown. Here I have the acquirer reference number or ARN. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.